Hello, welcome back to another job that we have here today. This is the driveway that we are doing. Starts down there, goes all the way up here, and then we've got this nice walkway all the way up to the door, which we're also doing. Also this step block here. So yeah, show you guys a little bit after we are done. And we are back with the final product here. It's still a little wet, and we also applied our sealer product, and this white product that you're seeing on here is really just a coat that we put on over so that it gives it a nice shine and stays clean over time. And it can wash off with the rain, or like a sunny day like this, it'll just dry right up. So here is probably like 4 times or like 70% clear. You can see in this dry area here, it's a whole lot of different color. It's a whole lot cleaner. And yeah guys, so this is the finished product, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.